Alright guys, so here what? I go for the crown and is it? I beat them two punk there. See them there? Them say them are a competitor. Make them see your face. Turn on, make them see your face, you. See him there? Him a come third. See there, him a come second, because I feel favorite number that. I now say nothing more. Now watch your race. Ready? Ready?
Guys, let me do this again. Yes. Go. Over.
Yeah.
But I know I will reach first. Someone am I any more business over there, sir? Guys, water war. They're not chill. And I get wet. Oh, will not wet me up. What happened, Papa? They wet up your hair? Oh, wet them up back. Wet them up back, Sam. Take up yours and wet them. Yeah, Papa. Wet them. Wet Amara. Chris?
Run upon them, Korean. Run upon them.
So guys, we're gonna have dinner now. I really never remember for video lunch. I don't know why him always wanted the head. And I'm gonna get it.
Everybody got dreams.
Him not eat nothing soft. Him not gonna eat it.
Well, guys, this is dinner. And we're about to partake. Full of belly. Good? Yeah, man. Looks good, I hope it tastes good. But it should all be good.
What you doing? Is that sing it now?
The when the CJ style. Don't do that.
Say it again. So, and fried chicken.
Alright, so what do dishes tonight?
Chef gone home, she tired, she there from when. Hello, don't come with the knives. So when mommy and daddy? They coming? No, I was asking if you don't want me to add mac and cheese to the table because I carried mac and cheese. It's chicken, it's chicken.
Come see right next one.
It's right now, I'm tired this long. I put my son in that Bruce and Keras down the side of me.
In a matter.
Give me right now, so you see me.
Sometimes. Mommy, ready? Daddy now come. Oh, so yeah guys, we're gonna eat now.
Yes guys. You guys want to show some different man? Yeah man, I eat up on the food man. What it is Bruce?
Yeah, well, this one I go on
Taguan. This is Sammy's first meal for the entire weekend. Can you believe it?
Well, the food have the most important part, which is the vegetable, which some people don't really like.
I wouldn't have a vegetable. Put the pan. I'm already eat up all of the rice there. Oh God, man. Oh God, man. Yeah.
That's fine.
No, you take off the X off of the mom.
Mom.
Alright. You ready that? You say next time. Alright, what me do? What me do?
Yep, but I am.
When we take off sitting down, then we do what?
Put it down.
So it's a black man door you. Look my black man door. Black man no do. Black man no do.
Guys, on the extra. No, on the 2 extra. on the 2 extra. It's just, no, but who else name you couldn't call for the bring up at the point? That's all she couldn't call nobody else. Gibbon. Yeah, Gibbon. I'm not for business that. It is, I'm just go up there with him now.
Alright. Proud family. What the girl name?
Michelle.
No.
She never born when a proud family.
No.
Penny.
Where's the one that ended the video a while ago?
Bye.
No. When you win the last time, what you say?
I never that she said.
He started R and with D. Yeah.
So we can cut by.
Coconut jelly.
Yeah.
It's slime and I'm using now.
I man, chop up them back.
Running.
What?
Fish,
okra. Green fish and okra,
you
buddy.
know, so you don't really have no
Sense.
No. If you don't get it where you don't get it.
Wrong.
If you don't get it, no.
You're not understand. So guys, I call it a night or so. This is still downstairs. Samuel is already asleep, like y'all can see. Yeah, I might, not might, more than likely I have to stay up here with him. Because when I'm ready for roll, him roll. I'm not there any had for a theme bed, so yeah. Our weekend is coming to an end tomorrow. It wasn't bad, you know, it was a little family trip. Drag everybody out and make we chill for a bit and have some fun together. You know, I hope you guys enjoy our videos. Remember to like, comment, share, and subscribe. And we want to say a big thank you to you guys that has been supporting us, you know, from day one, and continue to support us now, even months after, right? We're grateful for that. And y'all just need to remember to remain safe. Try your best. COVID's still out there, even though it's dying out in the news, but it's still something. It's still there. So just continue to remain safe. Wash your hands, sanitize, all of that, and don't forget to enjoy life and give thanks, right? God is good, right? Yes, so guys, we'll see you in the next one. Thank you for watching. Remember to like, comment, share, and subscribe. And remember, the journey continues. So we'll see you in the next one, guys. Bye.